It flew out so hard, you would have thought the little bit of thing broke. It didn't break at all. Okay? So I want to know what they got in their products. Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you guys something a little bit different. You know, a little bit spunky. So basically I have these two palettes that I was supposed to do reviews on like months ago. But I know I'm always delayed, but I'm gonna bring you guys something fun today and interesting. So originally I wanted the box of crayons palette from the time it came out, but I couldn't find it. So finally I looked for it and I found someone was selling it on Amazon, and this is the one that I got, the crayon case that I got from Amazon. But later on, after I did some further research and I was watching other people's reviews, I realized I've had a dupe. I did not have the accurate one. So I went back on the Crayon Case's website and I bought the box of crayons palette. And this is the real one. So the real one, the dupe. You can obviously see the difference. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do one eye with the correct or the accurate palette, the authentic one, and I'm going to do an eye with the dupe or the replica on this eye. So I'm going to tell you guys the pros, the cons, the differences, and how I found that it was a dupe. Okay guys, so this is the box of markers, box of crayons. What the, wait. Okay, so the colors with night. I don't know what the hell was going on with this palette. Whew, but baby, we're gonna get into it. We're gonna do it right and tight. So the first color I'm gonna be picking is that green, you know, vibrant green. You know, see how vibrant it is when I put on my eyes though. So we're gonna speed this up a little bit. Little close up. Nope, I hope you don't see my pimples. But we're gonna get a little close. Let's see how much we have to pack on before the color actually takes. Let's see. That's the second coat. Whew, that's the third. And surprisingly, I don't see a little bit of fallout at all. I don't see none of that. This is I think this is the fourth coat. Or is this still the third? I don't know what's going on, but child, we're gonna go into it. The next color is the what is it? When night? What night? When night? Ooh, shit. Green. Oh, that's the green, the lime green color. Oh Lord, child, what color? Is that even? Is that white green? What is that? We're gonna still get into it. All right, so we're gonna put that on my eyelid. As you can see, I'm using I don't know brush to put on top of my eyelid. Yes. We're gonna see how many times I gotta try to put this shit on my eye. Yeah, I got irritated and threw it away. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go for the next color, which will be that baby blue. Yes. So we're gonna do the baby blue. Oh, okay. Wait. Yeah. Or should I say baby blue? Because that's definitely faded. But you know, we're gonna still try to pack on as much as we can onto that lid to see what. Oh no. Oh no. Whew. Please excuse my eyes, guys. I was tired as hell. But as you can see, ooh wee. That looked terrible. We're gonna move on to the next color, which is the tan, or should I say fan, because that color did not show up at all. But you're gonna see. You're gonna stay tuned. Oh Lord, Lord. Does anybody see it on my eyelid? Like, I know I wear glasses, but it don't take a. Does anybody see that? No. Okay. The real thing, real deal. Ooh. Beautiful. So we're gonna put this tape on. All right, let me not get my lash. All right, there we go. There we go. Yes. 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 So we're gonna take the first color, get into it. Green. Yes, green. Green, child. Let's pack this on our lid. You know, in the crease area. Yes. You know, just take your time. Nice and easy. Yes. So the next. Oh wait, let me blend it out a little bit. The next color we're gonna pick up is that lime green. Actually, the lime, not flying green. No, from the other color. Let's put that on. Okay, I see a little difference. That looks white to me, but you know, lime green, yes. Next color we're gonna go for is that baby blue. Now that's a baby blue. That's beautiful. So we're gonna get that and put that on our lid. What in the world what in the Fallout Boys is going on underneath my eye? Do y'all see that? It's Fallout City. Fallout City. I'm about to call this color Fallout because that's all I see. All right, but it's still, we're gonna get into it. We're gonna stay into it. All right. A lot of Fallout. Yes. Oh, Lord. We're gonna get into the tan. This is actually like a proper tan. Not that fan that was on the other palette. So we're gonna pack that on. Oh my, look how that shows. Beautiful. I know, baby. We gotta fix that fallout. We're gonna do it. No, pull up my skin now. Okay. Okay. Get all the fallout out. We're gonna fix that with some concealer, a little bit, a little touch up underneath the eyes, underneath the lids. Now, we gotta put some mascara on because I have so much damn fallout on these lashes. That's what we're gonna do. Let's go. Let's get it. Okay. And just do like swift little thing, like swift little a little brush. Okay, we're gonna do some eyeliner on the lid. Dark blue or black, whichever one you. Now, sweetheart, the crayon case box of crayons. I didn't just check all of the colors. I'm going to do a swatch right after this, but I just want to give my opinion thus far. A lot of fallout. I was pointing to it on numerous occasions to show you all the fallout that was on the corner of my eye. A lot of fallout. I thought I was gonna have to catch it. A lot of fallout. That's number one. All right. Now the dupe, aka the replica. Okay. Sweetheart. I don't. One of the shadows fell out the container. This is one of the shadows. Okay. One of the shadows fell out the container. Girl, I don't know what's going on. They didn't even try to package it properly. Okay. Instead of giving me the box of crayons, they gave me the box of markers. Okay. Because this one is definitely missing. Look. Y'all think? Look. I just opened this. The whole thing flew out. Okay, that's number one. And number one, it flew out so hard, you would have thought the little bit of thing broke. It didn't break at all. Okay? So I want to know what they got in their products. That's number one. Okay? So this is definitely, this is for video purposes. Okay? I just wanted to keep it because honestly, I was not going to keep it because it's not the real thing. And on top of that, it doesn't give me the real benefits. Now, the real one, colors are beautiful. Like, the colors are beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. But the only problem I have is, if you dig in any of the shimmery shadows, it's a lot of fallout. A lot of fallout. You know, like, a reason why I don't like fallout is because I tend to get dressed and then do my makeup. So the fallout will get on my clothes. It will get everywhere. I don't like fallout at all. So... is it gorgeous approved? The pigmentation is a check. You can check that out. The quality is decent. You can check that too. But as far as and another thing is, when I did my makeup look a couple of days ago, it started to I forgot what it's called when the crease starts to like cut in. Like you could just see where the creases are in your eyeshadow. I don't like that at all. And I always put eyeshadow primers on underneath it, so I know the primer is not the issue. I tried it with the primer and without, and it had the same effect. It's just the shadow. I don't know what's going on. But the fallout I cannot do. Other than the pigmentation, everything is great. The customer service with the crayon case is another reason why I probably won't buy anything from there. Something else that I did buy, I'm going to swatch it also, is their Rose Glowers highlighter powder. It's like a rose gold, you know, rose gold everything. You see my pillows? Rose gold everything. So I got this with the shadow palette as well. Actually, my best friend got it for me, you know. Thanks, best friend. Thanks, girl. But yes. So this is the highlighter that I bought, and it's very beautiful. Very, very beautiful highlighter. I'm gonna swatch it. That's good quality. Now that highlighters, well, that highlighter that I have, beautiful quality. It's just that I don't really do the fallout, and I didn't really like the customer service, because when you look at the shipping, it tells you when it's shipped. Then I'm keep communicating to figure out where the package is, because it doesn't arrive. I think it didn't arrive for almost a month. And while she's trying to communicate with the people of the business, nobody's communicating back. Everybody's just like Mr. Krabs. Nobody cares what's going on around them. So I didn't like that as well. I did not like that. That is a very, 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 very bad reputation for me. So I wouldn't order because of that alone, because if I keep trying to, you know, reach out to you guys to let you know, oh, I didn't receive my package or whatever, and you guys don't respond, I gotta send numerous emails, I gotta track my package, I go crazy because I think my package is lost. It's like I'm frantic here because I don't know what's going on, and you guys are just, you know, where's Waldo? Then we're gonna have an issue. So for that reason, I wouldn't buy anything again from them. If the future if it improves and I hear a lot of good things about it, the shipping and everything, then I may consider. But for now, it's a no-go for me. But the eyeshadow colors are beautiful. I would recommend people buy it. Just keep in mind the shipping issue that I told you guys. And okay, let's get into the swatches. And another thing that I wanted to talk about is the highlighter. So I'm going to compare it to two other highlighters that I have. The rose gold highlighter is from the Crayon case. It looks like this. That's in that packaging. Then we have a Juvias Place loose highlighter Nubia. Everyone knows Juvias Place. I'm going to actually swatch it with that one so you can see the different comparisons of highlighters. And I also have Trophy Wife from Fenty. I'm going to swatch all three of them on my arm, and then, you know, you guys can basically see a comparison. But all of these highlighters are beautiful. That's why I have them. But I just want you guys to just see. Okay, first one that I'm going to swatch the rose gold one from the Crayon case. So that's the one by Crayon case. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna take a picture afterwards so you can see in better lighting because it's nighttime, and even though I have my lights on in the house, it's still not that great of lighting. But that's the rose gold one. This one, Juvias Place, very bright. This is the Juvias Place Nubia highlighter. It's gorgeous. That's actually the one I'm wearing right now. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, and this is all day makeup. All days makeup. But yeah, this is the highlighter that I used today, Nubia. It actually became one of my favorites. And you know what we got? Rihanna, how you doing, mama? We got the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. Everybody who's been following me for a while knows this one is my absolute favorite. Yeah, Fenty. So this is the Fenty Trophy Wife. This is Juvias Place Nubia. And then this is the Crayon case rose gold. Let me see the exact name of it. Oh yeah, it's just called Rosy Glowers. That's all it's called, Rosy Glowers. That's the Rosy Glowers. And this one is a very subtle highlighter. So like if you want to just, like if you want natural makeup, you just want a little pop, that's when you'll go for this Rose Glower, because it's not that vibrant where people can tell that you're wearing, you know, a highlighter, you know, because some people be looking like a disco ball. You want to look at disco ball with this one, okay? It's very muted, very natural. It looks beautiful. This one is a little bit turned up, you know, just like me. That's why I wore it today. A little bit turned up, okay? Nubia. And then you got the Trophy Wife, which is Summertime Fine, okay? Summertime Fine. When I'm giving you Goddess, I'm giving you Golden Goddess, I'm giving you Beauty Queen, okay? With that color right there. But I'm going to take a picture so you guys can see underneath the lighting how beautiful every last color is. And, you know, hopefully you guys, if you don't have them, you get them. But I love all three. But look at that sparkle and the trophy. Oh, girl. I am telling you. Look, baby. I just want to thank you guys for watching. You know, I just wanted to give you something. I told you every Sunday I'm going to be putting up videos. Sunday is my scheduled time, which is perfect for me. Working around what I do as far as me working and everything. It's just perfect. Perfect scheduling for me. So you guys have a great day, night, because it's nighttime, child. It's nighttime over here. Have a great day, night. And thanks for tuning in with Gorgeous. Have a great night, guys, or great morning. Bye.